4-8 on the Disney Magic today. 5-night sailing, double dip out of Miami. This is a veranda stateroom. It is not connecting, as you can see there. And there is a pull down bed right there. So it does sleep 4. It's a split bathroom, as is standard on most Disney cruise ship rooms. And there's lots of closet space here. The safe and a laundry bag. And lots of drawers. And there's the welcome gifts. Television. Lots of desk space here. And there is a fridge in here. And a good sized veranda. Whoops, which I am locked out of. Well, we'll do that later. But you can see there's a Whitewall Verandah here. And that is it. Thanks for watching.